Guys, I'm not sure if my camera's gonna actually do it justice. I mean, in person it's much nicer than how the camera is showing up. Like, it is beautiful in person, the color. So just imagine the colors, you know. Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video. Today we're checking out this touch lamp. So let's see, this touch lamp has time display, alarm clock, color changing, sleep mode, and of course sensitive touch. That's pretty cute. It's got little feet on here. Looks like a Type-C for wireless, well, for charging. Obviously you can use this without wire, but it does need to charge up a little bit. They give you a manual and a standard colored remote control. So on here, go ahead and pull out the plastic that's protecting the battery. You got your on off and just your standard colored remote control. Different colors you guys can set up there. I'm not sure if this is charged yet, but let's see if it turns on. Okay, so there is actually a main on and off switch that's underneath it. So turn that on. Oh wow, that's nice. That's actually really nice. There's also a battery indicator on here. Now it's not blinking, that's just my camera is blinking. In person it's not blinking. So you got a clock on there. Yeah, so you can easily control this with the remote. Different colors. We're going to show you guys the colors, don't worry. Looks like you have different settings here. Alright guys, check it out. So in person, it looks even better than the video. I mean, a whole lot better. So, I mean, this is really nice. You have all these different color settings. And again, in person, the color looks 20 times better. All different settings. Of course, you have white. And of course, you can up the brightness, lower the brightness. So you can go pretty dim, get it pretty bright. And again, you have modes, different modes here. So we're just quickly showing you guys a few different modes. You also have a timer on here as well, so it is timed. So this mode just kind of slowly fades, slowly changes color. Basically goes through all the different colors that you have. And of course off. Overall guys, it's really nice.